used to know what happens when the world ends. At least this is an okay bar for running into you.
Hi guys, this is my hotel room. The room is tiny, but it's still nice. It's close to the main tram station, and there are a lot of eateries here. So I'm enjoying my time here. Although my health could have been better, I guess, but don't know what to do about that. I'm gonna go out for dinner and then come back and sleep a lot actually, because I'm just so tired. I mean, my body is quite exhausted. And I took a walk. I was almost gonna walk till office, but then I came back and here I am waiting for my colleague.
I could be a solace. Maybe I could be something more. Well, baby, it's always summertime. When I'm with you, that's not a lie. Well, maybe you could be my solace. only 말투가 날 위로해. 내 심장이 막 두근두근 터질 것 같아. 눈이 마주칠 때면 미쳐가. 매일 밤 가슴이 터질 때다. 너도 날 똑같이 사랑해줄래. 네가 돌아올 때마다 고백 연습하는 나. I just wanna make you mine until the end. My summertime.
Yeah, you are agreed to the
Are you sure?
Yeah, this is good. It's good. No.
About
About dropping.
the photo.
This morning is not scared at all,
I'm
have
so a bit
vlog, yeah.
scared.
communal garden. You know, if some people in the city they don't have a garden because they live in the city.
Okay. It's day 3 of my Zurich trip, and it's been going really well. The 2 days have been great. I've been super exhausted. I mean, on the first day I walked around 15,000 steps. The next day I've walked around more than 20,000 steps. So I'm gonna be super fit by the end of 3 weeks. So let's see. Today I plan to go Luzern. And I think it's really nice. It's a really nice place. But I'll see.
Slow down, hold on tight now. It's okay to meet me at the front line. I've got cold feet, winter drives me wild. I can't fly down on the Friday. I was meant to meet you at your mom's house, so I apologize.
They should keep something like a what do you call, like something like those, right? So that people It's odd to be, I mean, it's odd to see a cat here, but maybe not. I don't know. On top of the hill.
I don't know.
And I've got no sleep 'cause you drive me wild. 'Cause I know one day we get out of happy house and wake you up for brunch when you're feeling worn out. And we just gotta keep on hanging on for now. So slow down, hold on tight now. You're driving me wild. Soldier love. You're driving me wild. Soldier love, won't you meet me in the sunlight?
But we could have gone there also, right?
No, we have to do it in the right order.
Right.
I think the device doesn't show you
The
what you have to do before once you're there. Mr. Cabin further. Ah, there. Oh, finally.
finally.
Yeah. They don't have much.
steeper. I plan to go Zermatt. No, sorry.
It's not. You meant it. I know.
I had given up when she said, when she met me. Actually, I was ready to go back. But this is doable for now.